Good morning to all. Today we are discussing about chloroplast. Chloroplast, other name food producer. What is food producer? This chloroplast absorbs sunlight. Through this light energy is converted into the chemical energy. Through this process, food produced from the plant leaves. So it is called photosynthesis. This photosynthesis contains two types of reactions, light reactions and dark reactions. Do you notice that green organelles present in plant cells and absent in animal cells? This chloroplast only present in plant cells, absent in animal cells. Chloroplasts are the only cell organelle that can produce food from the sun energy. Plant cell contain different types of cell organelle: mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, vacuoles. But chloroplast only producing the food material. Plants with the chloroplast are able to do photosynthesis because they contain the very important green pigment chlorophyll. This plant's leaf contain chlorophyll, so the leaf color is green in color. Chlorophylls are different varieties: chlorophyll A, B, C, D, A1, B1. There are many forms are present. Chlorophyll can absorb radiant energy from the sun and convert it into the chemical energy which can be used by the plants and animals. These energies are used by plants and animals. Sunlight help in the plant growth. Next, animal cells lack chloroplast and are unable to do photosynthesis. Animals completely or totally absent in photosynthesis process. What reason? These animal cells are not contain chloroplast. This picture shows the cells in a leaf. Leaf contain rectangular or triangular shapes. Cell shapes are plant leaves, different types of cell shapes. These cells contain green color pigments. This pigment is called chlorophyll. These plant leaves contain chlorophyll, so the leaf color is green in color. Next, here single chloroplast are dissected, or single chloroplast view is show the picture. Next, observing chloroplast in algae. Algae are mainly present in the water bodies, mainly in the freshwater bodies. Freshwater body means ponds, rivers, lakes, streams. These all are freshwater bodies. These freshwaters are coming from mainly rainfall. Collect some algae from pond and separate out thin filaments of them. Algae are mostly present on the water surface of the lakes and rivers. These algae are collected. Place a few filaments on a slide. This algae put on the slide and few filaments. Filaments means leaf-like structure is called filament. Observe it under the microscope. Take the help of given picture and draw the picture of chloroplast that you have observed under the microscope. This algae contain different types of cells. These cells are only seen through the electron microscope. These observing diagrams are drawn through the paper with the help of sketches. Chloroplast is a type of plastids. Chloroplast is a type of plastids. Plastids contain three types: leucoplast, chromoplast, chloroplast. These are the three types of plastids which are present only in plant cells. Plant cell contain chloroplast. Plastids are mainly of two types. Chromoplast. Chromoplast means color producing pigments are only present on the chromoplast. And next leucoplast. Leucoplast means colorless plastids. Next, various ranges of these plastids impart different colors to various parts of the plant. Plant contain different color. The main reason plastids. Chromoplast impart color to flower and fruits. Flower and fruits are each and every plant do differ. What reason? The main reason of this color changes. This plant contain these flowers and fruits are contained the chromoplast. As fruits ripen, chloroplast change to chromoplast. Ripen means பழம் பழுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன ஆகுது, அதுல இருக்கக்கூடிய chloroplast green color or changes into the yellow or red. It is called chromoplast. Starch is converted into sugar. After ripening, the starch is converted into sugar. பழம் பழுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன ஆகுது, starch sugar convert ஆகுது. Next, Golgi complex. I need a break. This Golgi complex structure shows the bounded sacs are stacked on top of the other with associated secretory vesicles are collectively known as Golgi complex. These are secretory vesicle. This vesicle shape is round or oval in shape. This vesicle secrete some enzyme, so it is called secretory vesicle. Membrane bound. These all are membrane like structure stacked on top of the other with the associated. These all are ஒன்றின் மேல ஒன்று அடுக்குன மாதிரி இருக்கிறது stack of the coins, stack of the top of the other. ஒன்றுக்கு மேல ஒன்று அடுக்குன பை போன்ற அமைப்புல இருக்கக்கூடியது. It is main function of the Golgi complex are the production of secretory substance. Secretory substance means some substance, digested food material, packaging and secretion. This is the secret behind the change in the color and taste of fruit. The main function, change in the color and taste of fruit through the Golgi complex. This Golgi complex contain different types of cell organelles. These are the newly forming vesicle. Next is cisternae. The folded membrane is called cisternae. Incoming transport vehicle. These ways are some materials are inside to move through the places, one place to another places. Next, secretory vesicle. These vesicles are secreting some substance, so it is called secretory vesicles. Next, lysosome. The other name of lysosome is called suicidal bag. தமிழ் என்ன சொல்றோம், தற்கொலை பைகள். Everything I touch, I destroy. லைசோசோமை டச் பண்ணக்கூடிய பொருட்கள் எல்லாம் destroy means அழிந்து விடுதல், அழிந்து போய்விடும். You will find organelles called as lysosomes which are very small to view using light microscope. This lysosome structure is very small to view only light microscope. They are the main digestive compartments of the cells. Main digestive compartment. Digestive compartment means human being eat different types of foods. These food materials are digested through this lysosome. There lies a cell, hence they are called suicidal bag. Other name of lysosome, suicidal bag. This lysosome structure shows the membrane. Next, hydrolytic enzymes. Secreting hydrolytic enzyme. Next, transport protein. These all are lysosome. organelles. Next, centrioles. They are generally found close to the nucleus and made up of tube-like structure. Centrioles are found close to the nucleus. First, which place the nucleus are found? The nucleus found in the cell center part. Adjacent to the nucleus, the found centrioles. It is made up of tube-like structures. Centrioles are other name. Centrosomes are present only in animal cells, absent in plant cells. This centriole present only in animal cells, absent in plant cells. What are the main function of the centriole? It helps in the separation of chromosome during cell division. Cell division means cells are multiplied through some divisions. So it is called cell division. This cell division helpful with the centrioles. Cell divisions are basically three types. First one, mitosis, meiosis and amitosis. Mitosis type of cell division only present in the vegetative cells. These cells contain our vegetative character or body character. Next, meiosis. Meiosis means these cells are contained only in the sexual character. Mitosis, cell numbers are increasing in the ratio of 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128 in the ratios. Next, meiosis, the cell numbers are decreased in the ratio 8, 4, 2, 1 in the ratios. Next, endoplasmic reticulum. You guys be quiet. I have so much work to do. This endoplasmic reticulum are adjacent or adjoining to the nuclear membrane. It is basically two types. RER. RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum contain ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum outer side. Next, SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum only contain lipids and proteins. It is an intermembranous network made up of flat or tubular sacs within the cytoplasm. First, what is cytoplasm? Cell wall inner side, nucleus outside or outer side. Excluding nucleus in the cell is called cytoplasm. Nucleus தவிர cell wall உள்ள அனைத்து பகுதி என்ன சொல்றோம்? cytoplasm னு சொல்றோம். Tubular within the cytoplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. These are two types. They are rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum contain nucleolus. Inside the nucleus contain nuclear material. So it is called nucleolus. Then nucleus, nuclear pore. Nuclear outer membrane are called nuclear membrane. This membrane contain small pore-sized structure. So it is called nuclear pore or small opening. Next, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes. What is rough endoplasmic reticulum? Or rough due to the ribosomes attached to the membrane. This endoplasmic membrane, outer surface attached to the ribosomes helps in the synthesis of protein. What is the main function of ribosome means? Production of protein. Next, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is a network of tubular sacs without ribosomes on the membrane. The membrane do not contain ribosomes. They play a role in the synthesis of main role of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Synthesis of protein, lipids, steroids, and also transport them within the cell. transport within the cell or inside the cell. Next topic, nucleus. Everyone do what I say, acting like the brain of the cell. Other name of nucleus is called brain of the cell. Plant and animal cells have nucleus inside the cytoplasm. Plant cell and animal cells are contain nucleus. The shape is oval or round in shape. It is surrounded by a nuclear envelope. The eukaryotic cells are surrounded by nuclear envelope, but prokaryotic cells do not contain distinct nucleus and a nuclear membrane. One or two nucleolus and the chromatin body present inside the nucleus. Inside the nucleus contain nucleolus and a chromatin body. During cell division, the chromatin body is organized into chromosome. At the time of cell division, the chromatin body are forming chromosomes. Storage of genetic material and transfer hereditary characters from generation to generation are the functions of chromosome. What is chromosome? Chromosome is a rod-like thin structure. These structures are only present in the inside the nucleus. These chromosomes are contain genetic material of DNA. This DNA main function, some characters are transferred from one generation to another generation with the help of chromosome is called heredity. Human being contain normally 46 chromosomes. These all are 23 pairs of chromosomes. This 46 chromosomes, first 22 pair of chromosome is called autosome. Last one pair of 23rd pair is called allosome. And next, function of nucleus. It controls all the process and chemical reaction that takes place inside the cell. Nucleus control all the reactions inside the cell. Next, inheritance of character from one generation to another generation means characters are transferred through the DNA. A single nucleus contains nucleolus. Inside the nucleus, nucleolus present. Next, chromatin condensed. These chromatins are condensed means thickened. Granules. Some particle-like structures is called granules. Next, karyoplasm. Inside the nucleus, except nucleolus, is called karyoplasm. Nuclear pores. These nucleus are covered by nuclear membrane. This membrane contains small pore-like structure or small opening is called nuclear pores. Then nuclear membrane. The main function of the nuclear membrane, inside the nucleus contain many materials. These all materials are produced from the nuclear membrane. Next, fibrils. These fibrils are forming cell division. Next, chromatin, diffuse. These all are the single nucleus contain various types of organelles. Next, RBC. RBC other name red blood cell. Red blood cell do not contain a nucleus. Nucleus completely absent. RBC without a nucleus, these cells die quickly. RBC lifespan time 90 to 120 days. About 2 million RBC cells die every second. Our body contain minimum 5.5 million RBC cells. These cells are every second die in the counting of 2 millions. Luckily, the body produces new RBC cells every day. Our body producing new RBC cells every day. RBC cells are mainly producing through the joint of bone marrow.